Hello and welcome back. Let's see the solution to weather observation station 15. So this SQL question says query the western longitude or long underscore W. We're this time going to query this column, which is again of type number, for the largest northern latitude or lat underscore N in the station that is less than 137.2345. and also round your answer to 4 decimal places. So this time we're going to query this column for the value of latitude, for the greatest value of the latitude that is less than 137.2345. In the previous video we saw how to find the greatest value of latitude that is less than 137. We could use the max function. Let's select that, select a max of latitude underscore N from station. We saw this in the last video where the value of lat underscore N is less than 137.2345. This is going to give us all the values or the maximum value that is less than 137.2345. So we got this value and we are going to query the longitude column for this value. So let's write a select statement, select long underscore W, this column from station where, so it says for the largest northern latitude that is less than 137. So we found the largest northern latitude that is less than 137.2345. so where the latitude column is equal to the value returned by this select statement. So let's put it inside parentheses and let's run the code. We get a longitude 117 and also we need to round it to 4 decimal places. So let's round this longitude using the round function and we have to round it to 4 decimal places. Yeah, it's accepted and let's submit the code. Yeah, it passes all the test cases. So first we found the largest northern latitude that is less than 137.234. Then for this value of latitude we queried the longitude and also rounded the result to 4 decimal places. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.